A useful feature built into the GG-B100 is the location indicator. This allows you to register a location into the watch, and then once elsewhere the watch will indicate exactly how far it is to that location and the direction you'd need to go in. To register a location, such as your starting point, ensure the G-Shock app is connected and the watch is in time mode. Press and hold the top right compass button for 5 seconds to register the current location. Once your chosen location has been registered, the point is viewable in the G-Shock connected app. The watch is then ready to be used to show you how far away you are from your chosen location. Now, once you are elsewhere, you can use the location indicator by pressing the top right hand button for 2 seconds. The second hand indicates the heading to the registered location, and the digital display will show the distance.